Click on websites to earn money. Make money online. Looking to supercharge your income with money-making websites? Well, you've landed on the right video. Don't skip this. It's loaded with the latest market news that could make your wallet smile. We're diving into the world of making money online through a step-by-step guide. This ain't your typical corporate jargon. It's all about simple, actionable insights. Stay tuned and you won't miss out on some hot money-making opportunities. So if you're all set to kickstart your online money-making journey, we'll start by revealing a secret website that turns simple website clicks into cold hard cash. But hold on, that's just the tip of the iceberg. To cash in for real, stick around until the end. We've got the perfect combo lined up for you. First things first, create a free account on the site we're featuring. Click that inviting green sign up button in the top right corner and you're good to go. Pick a unique username. Toss in your email ID, set up a password, and give that sign up button a tap. Your dashboard is going to be a sight for sore eyes, displaying your username and those precious points you're racking up. Now, to get the ball rolling, hover over to the Earn Points section and hit Website Hits. This is where the magic happens. Click on Visit for the websites listed. Chill for a mere 20 seconds and watch those points stack up. The more points you collect, the more cash you can put in your pocket. Our star player here is youlikehits.com, a hub where you click on websites and watch those points flow in. But here's the kicker, there's more to this story, so keep those eyes peeled. Now, let's move on to step 3, turning those points into actual cash. Head over to cpagrip.com and sign up for free. Once you're in, navigate to Offer Tools and select My Offers. This is where the magic happens. In the world of CPA, which stands for Cost Per Action, you don't need to sell a thing. You're simply referring folks to a URL where they can sign up for free. No money involved. All they need to do is provide their email and name. Now, pick a referral link from the diverse offers available. For instance, you can earn a sweet $2.05 for every person you refer to a giveaway on our site. They don't need to whip out their wallets. They stand a chance to win a $750 gift card for absolutely nada. Copy that referral link and make it neat and tidy by visiting bit.ly.com. No need to sign up. Just paste your lengthy URL, hit shorten, and you're golden. The Xverse awaits you. Sign up for X. It's free and you don't need an army of followers. Heck, it can be very first day on X and you're still set. Craft a post that's all about the offer. Something like, new giveaway, 750 card up for grabs. Join for free. Pop in your shortened bit.ly URL and hit post. This method sets you on the path to steady earnings without breaking a sweat. But let's kick it up a notch and start growing your X presence. Copy your giveaway post ID and you're good to roll. To maximize your X reach, return to youlikehits.com and swap your points for X services. Get more followers, reposts, and likes to boost your post's visibility. Watch your earnings soar as more people click on your referral link and sign up. Number 1. Like for like. It's all about boosting your social media game, and it won't cost you a dime. Like for like is the ultimate hub for social media enthusiasts, where you can score free likes, comments, followers, and shares. Whether you're looking to promote your profiles, pages, products, or services, these platforms got your back. With millions of users on board, you'll have a massive pool of likes, comments, shares, and followers at your fingertips. Think Facebook, Instagram, Google+, X, and more. Like for Likes got you covered on all major platforms. The drill is simple. Create a free account using your email or social media ID. Start earning points by liking campaigns from other members. Once you've gathered some points, you're all set. Just click to add and manage your page. Fill in the necessary info. Hit save, and you're good to go. It's like a social media treasure trove. Number 2. Likes ASAP. Welcome to Likes ASAP, your ticket to boosting your online presence while earning some extra cash. It's a fantastic alternative to like4like.com, offering all the essential services you need to level up your online game. From Facebook likes to X followers, YouTube subscribers, and website traffic, it's your one-stop shop. Likes ASAP keeps it simple. Create an account, browse, and like the pages recommended to you. As you complete the suggested tasks, you'll rack up points. And what do you do with these points? Well, you can exchange them for some cold hard cash. That's right, you can cash in your points and get people to do the same tasks for your social media accounts. But Likes ASAP doesn't stop there. It takes your social media game to the next level with features like multi-account protection, unlike or unfollow protection, IP protection, and an interactive interface. It's your path to success in the world of online engagement. Number 3. Social Clerks. When you want to step up your social media game, Social Clerks is the name you need to remember. It's a swift, straightforward, and secure platform that specializes in supercharging your social media followers and getting you tons of likes, comments, and shares. Best of all, it won't cost you a penny. Unlocking Special Clerks potential is as easy as 1, 2, 3, 4. First, sign up using your email address, name, and a password. Then it's all about following, liking, and viewing social media pages to earn points. Once you've got those points in your pocket, you can exchange them for thousands of free followers, likes, and comments. Not only does this boost your social media game, but it also amps up your website traffic and engagement on platforms like Facebook, X, and more. With a user-friendly interface, daily point earnings, and compatibility with all major social platforms, Social Clerks is your ticket to success. Looking for a simple, no-nonsense way to pump up your income? This is it! Follow these steps, start making money, and savor those extra earnings. Don't let these opportunities slip through your fingers. In today's digital age, money-making websites offer endless opportunities to pad your wallet. With our proven method, you can transform simple clicks into real cash. So what are you waiting for? Dive in today and watch those earnings grow. Happy money making!